Fourth and most important skill to improve your English language skills as a whole is that of speaking. When you have done these three aforementioned skills before, so now it's time to speak. Whatever you have written, whatever you have listened, whatever you have practiced before, now it's time for you to speak those things out, and that is an output skill. So when you speak, you know where to put what word, and you know how to practice your English language skills. Your fluency improves by the help of speaking more and more. You know which word to use where, and most important thing, you also know that now which word do I need, which word do I need to put where, and then you will be able to ask from yourself whatever your mother tongue is. You will be able to ask from yourself that for this word which word I have to put. So practice speaking. I know sometimes it feels difficult to use English language in any kind of society, but you have to try to use English language with those students who are interested to learn English. Try to use English with those students who try to improve their English language. Find a group where you can speak English language. Find those students who are interested to learn and to improve their English language, and try to speak with them. Once you start to speak, all those things which you have practiced before will come into your practice, and you will get more and more fluency. So these are the four important things to improve your English language: writing, speaking, reading, and listening. If you do these four things regularly, you are sure to improve your English. Thank you.